Lumens mean absolutely nothing, and I'll show you why.
What? What the fuck?
Dustin from btslighting.com here. If you're looking for an LED headlight, don't even look at the lumen rating. A lot of high-end companies won't even actually advertise a lumen rating because they literally don't matter. I'll explain what lumen is and why in a sec here. You got an LED bulb you're looking to buy, you hop on Amazon, you start comparing lumen ratings. But what does that actually mean? It's the accepted marketing term. And what it is the LED chip manufacturer tells the LED bulb manufacturer, this LED chip will put out X amount of lumens at X amount of watts. And that is where the lumens come from. It is the amount of lumens or light that this LED chip can emit. The bulb manufacturer will take this, times it by 2 because there's 2 LED chips, and then they start marketing their bulb. Unfortunately, that's not reliable in itself. It should be, but it isn't, because Amazon's got thousands and thousands of options, sellers, bulbs, and a lot of them will just overinflate their numbers to be relevant and compete and try and get the ratings and the sales, because they know in North America, that's mostly what we look for. We compare lumen ratings. Everything I sell, somebody asks me what the lumens is on it, and 90% of the time I tell them lumens are useless. People don't believe me, but I'll explain why. You go to shop for this bulb, and the LED chip doesn't matter. The type of chip and the direction, if it's an automotive grade or not, matters, but the amount of lumens is less important. The optic is what's important, and this is how I can show you. Take this LED bulb. Let's say this is 3,000 lumens. I plug this in my big rig and I hang it out the window to light the way in front of me. It's nice and bright. 3,000 lumens, eh? Driving along, I can't see anything.
I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
Why? Because there's no optic to harness that light and project it forward. You need a headlight or a projector to do this. So you put it in a headlight and all of a sudden the reflector or the projector takes that light and controls it and pushes it in a specific direction. So we don't measure with a headlight then the lumens that this chip is emitting. We measure the lux or candela, the actual light that is shining in a specific direction. That's the important numbers, lux and candela. The lumens don't matter, because the lumens in one headlight to the other with the same bulb would be the same, but one headlight to the other would be brighter. If I put this bulb in a Peterbilt 389 low beam, or I put this bulb in a, say an F-150 headlight, they're going to be completely different lux and candela readings. The beam pattern is going to be different. The intensity is going to be different. The lumen stays the same though. Interesting, right? Let me know what you think.